Welcome, friends. Welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. An episode or 2 episodes ago, Julie and I did a cognac, sort of a 2-1-2, sort of a take on a Manhattan, and neither of us liked it. So we're coming back. We're going to do another cognac cocktail and see if we like this one. So I've got some sprigs of thyme. Those go into the bottom of a shaker glass. This is lemon juice. And then the same again with pineapple juice. This is apricot jam, so a couple tablespoons. In it goes, and just a light muddle. You don't have to go to town on that. Now we put in the cognac. And this gets some ice. And a shake. Okay. Each glass gets some ice. And a double strain. And each one gets a sprig of thyme as a garnish. That's my jam.
Is this what we're having today? Hey, friends. Hey, Glenn. My jam?
My jam. That's my jam. Okay.
Okay, maybe not the best name, but...
We'll give it a go. See what happens. No.
Oh, see, I kind of like it.
Do you?
I think there's a fruity flavor in there I like. I find that to be quite lovely.
Do you?
Yep. So clearly...
To me, the thing that I think it doesn't work is that there's too many fruity flavors. I could do with one less of the 3 fruity flavors. I like the apricot. And I like the pineapple. I think if I took the lemon juice out, I might enjoy it more. And I think I underdid the thyme.
Well, I mean, that may very well be true. It might make it even better. So,
and that's the thing with cocktails. If you can nail it on the first time and you think you've made the best version of something that you've ever made, make it again and change something. It might be better.
these are always things that are true, right?
And if it's not to your liking, then switch out 1 or 2 of the ingredients. Like switch out the cognac and use something different. There's so many ways that you can make it better.
Make it your own.
Oh, I know, exactly. So, yeah, I think if I dropped one of those flavors out, but you like it, so there we go.
There you go. In that
Thanks
case,
for stopping by. See you again soon. Damn it, you know what? I forgot half the cocktail. You're supposed to top it up with some soda water.
but I liked it how it was.
Well, let's see that maybe this is better.
I like that. I think you've watered down my drink.
So this is what happens when you're 5 cocktails into a shooting day. Things slip through the cracks. Okay, one more try. Let's go. No. It loses all the flavor, doesn't it?
Yeah, I liked it better straight up.
Okay. Soda water, bad idea. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.